dear kids. Now it's English time again. Kids, today we are going to learn a new capital letter. But before that, I want you all to meet somebody. Children, see, she is Princess Pearl and she lives in a pink palace. She loves to play piano and eat pineapple. She draws pretty pictures with pen and pencils. Pia the peacock and Polly the parrot are her best friend. They are playing together. So children, did you all notice that all these words start with one common letter? Can you guess which is that? Right, capital letter P. So today we are going to learn new letter and that is capital letter P. P says P. P says P. Let's learn more about capital letter P.
Kids, what are these? Yes, tasty popcorns. Now, let's do the activity using these popcorns and see the formation of letter P. Now, we will make a standing line using these popcorns, okay? See, like this, make standing line, like this way. See, ma'am has made a standing line. This is standing line. Now we will make opposite C curve. We will arrange one after another like this in opposite C curve. See, this way. See, our opposite C curve is ready. Which letter is this? Yes, capital letter P. P for popcorn. So, you can also do this activity at your home.
P is for pineapple, pineapple. P is for parachute, parachute. P is for pillow, pillow. P is for pencil, pencil. P is for peacock, peacock. P is for parrot, parrot. P is for pen, pen. P is for penguin, penguin.
Now let's see how to write capital letter P. First red line to second blue line, make one standing line. Then first red line to first blue line, opposite C curve, capital letter P. Now one more time. First red line to second blue line, make one standing line. Then first red line to first blue line, opposite C curve, capital letter P.
In your ABC fun book, open page number 3737. Capital letter P. P for pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable and it is very big in size. P for peacock. Peacock is a bird and it is known as our national bird. P for parachute. Parachute can fly high in the sky. P for piano. Piano is a musical instrument. We will say one more time, okay? P for pineapple. P for pumpkin. P for peacock. P for parachute. P for piano.
Now children, let's see how to write capital letter P in red and blue line notebook. First, we will put 5 tick marks. Then, we will put finger on first tick. Then, we will start from here. See, red line to second blue line, standing line. Then, red line to first blue line, opposite C curve, capital letter P. Now again, red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to first blue line, opposite C curve. Again, red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to first blue line, opposite C curve. Okay? Again, red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to first blue line, opposite C curve. Okay? So children, you have to write neat and clean. Okay? Now, like this way, you have to complete all the lines. Now, children, here we will draw P for pig. First, we will make big circle. Now, inside, small circle. For ears, up, down, up, down. For eyes, 2 small circle like this. Now here we will make oval shape. Then 2 small circle inside. These are nostril. For legs, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Now here we will make tail. P for pig.
On next page, capital letter P, and here we have to draw one related picture for P. In this box you have to draw pig. Okay kids, now trace and write. Here we have to trace capital letter P on the dotted line. From the red line to second blue line, make a standing line. From the first red line to first blue line, make opposite C curve. This is capital letter P. Same way you will trace all this P. Okay. Now we will write one more time. From red line to second blue line, make a standing line. From first red line to first blue line, make opposite C curve. Capital letter P. Same way you will complete all these lines. Okay kids? Now exercise time. Write capital letter P for its correct related pictures. Kids, here some pictures are given and we have to write capital letter P for its correct picture. Okay? First picture is of pumpkin. So what for pumpkin? Correct, P for pumpkin. So we will write here capital letter P in this box. Now which picture is this? Nose. What for nose? N for nose. So we will not write here anything. Next picture. This is peacock. P for peacock. So in this box again we will write capital letter P. Then which picture is this? Yes, moon. What for moon? M for moon. So we will not write here anything. Then next picture is of piano. What we will write here? Yes, P, because it starts with letter P. So capital letter P. And last picture. What is this? Yes, leaf. What for leaf? L for leaf. So we will not write here anything. Okay kids? Write the missing letters from A to P. Kids, here we have to write the missing letters. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. After capital letter A, which letter will come? B. Then C. And then D. It is already written here. After D, E, F, G, H. And after H, I. I is already written over here. After I, J. Then K, L. Then M. After M, N, O. And after O, which letter will come? P. Okay kids? Now, 2. Trace the given letters and match with its correct related picture. Kids, here some letters are given. First you have to trace these letters, okay? And then you have to read the letter and match with its correct picture. This is capital letter G. And what for G? G for globe. So you will match capital letter G with globe. Same way you will match all these letters with the correct picture. 3. Fill in the gaps. Here some letters are given. Which letter is this? Capital letter H. And after H, what will come? I, then J, K, L. Like this you have to write all the letters which come after the given letter. Okay? Now on next page, number 4. Draw one related picture for the given letters. In this box, you have to draw one picture related to this letter. Which letter is this? O. What did we learn to draw? Yes, onion. So you will draw your onion. And in this box, you will draw N for net. Okay kids? Now number 5. Write the capital letters for the given pictures. Kids, here some pictures are given and we have to write the capital letter with which this picture starts in this box. Okay? Which picture is this? Onion. What for onion? O for onion. So you will write your capital letter O. Same way you will do this exercise at your home. Okay? Bye bye.